What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making buffalo chicken mac and cheese. We hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. For this recipe, we're going to need chicken breast, pasta, buffalo sauce, cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, Colby Jack cheese, butter, an egg, heavy whipping cream, flour, cornstarch, minced garlic, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, parsley, and green onion. To get started, we're going to broil our pasta and add a bit of salt to the water. While our pasta is broiling, we're going to dice our chicken breast. We're going to place our chicken in a bowl and season with seasoned oil, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Add 2 eggs, mix, and place to the side. Next, we're going to get started on our braiding. In the container, we're going to add 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and season with seasoned oil, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, and cayenne pepper, and whisk. Now it's time to coat our chicken. We're going to start by shaking off the excess wet batter and placing the chicken in the flour. Then we're going to shake until evenly coated. Now we're going to remove our chicken from the flour, shake off any excess, and place on a cooling rack. Chop 3 stalks of green onion. Cut 6 tablespoons of butter. In the pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 6 tablespoons of butter. Add 4 tablespoons of flour and mix until it thickens. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic and mix. Add in your green onion and mix. Add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Add 4 ounces of cream cheese, which is half of the block. Once the cream cheese melts down, add 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce. Season the taste with black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and season all. On a low fire, add a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. Add a 1/2 cup of Colby Jack cheese. Add a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Allow your cheese sauce to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Next, mix the cheese sauce into your noodles. Now it's time to fry our chicken. We're going to fry our chicken for 5 minutes or until golden brown. Toss in buffalo sauce until each piece is evenly coated. And the time has come. Let's stack. Add 1 layer of mac and cheese, sprinkle cheese on top, and repeat that step. Lastly, place your buffalo chicken on top, sprinkle a little bit more cheese over your chicken, and bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it, buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.